Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another stream, guys. I know that I'm like a few minutes late, but for some reason, right when I wanted to go on stream, everything shut down. So I had to restart, right? But we here. We made it. So we're going to get to the charts, all right? It's the last trading day. It's Friday, guys. The last trading day of the week. I hate to see it go. I really do. Um, so let's just talk about reiterate on what we did yesterday. Um, we've been talking about this insufficiency in price right here, this blue area here, and we have been talking about this blue area here. Now, finally, they reached up here. I'm even thinking about the fact that they got so high up here, creating um, a double top. See that? So, by this happening, let me just fix it just a little bit. We have, let's just make sure DXY is still on the up and the up real quick. I want to know where DXY is sitting and how is it going to move. DXY is still trending up. And DXY also created double tops. Money there. Not only that, there is this gap up here we've been keeping our eye on for a very, very long time. So, not sure if she's ready to turn around just yet. Yeah, she's pulling back here in this candle, but we haven't got below this low here, right? So because we actually pushed up, didn't get above this high, reversed, didn't get below this low. It's just in a consolidation right here. So right now I'm still keeping my eye on the fact that we are moving up. We're still trending up. But that doesn't really mean anything, right? Because the trend isn't our friend. So what we're looking for now, I really wanted her to come up here. If I would have woke up and saw this here, I would guarantee sell this market. Guarantee. It still does look like it could pop below these lows. This low here. There's insufficiency here, but there's insufficiency above right here. So, oops. Just want to drag it. So let's say DXY was to push down, right? Taking out this low, these lows, and then we have insufficiency here and here on lower time frames, and right here and here, double bottom. Look at this candle here. Last push up before the sell down. So there's money sitting in this candle. We got to get back up to that. So are we done with this wave? Are we done waving up? We have to wait and see. This is just a consolidation area here. So it's not really letting us know anything there. We still have this above. There's no reason why she doesn't want to come up and get that unless we are reversing based off of this daily push up before the down move candle. if that's the case, let me just do something. All right, so what I just did was I marked up this institutional level here based off this candle. All I did was just flip this white candle because it was the last candle before the down move. As you can see, we did get up into the 50% area, not necessarily the 80, I mean the 78% or the 88% area, but we did get up into the 50% area. So I'm looking like, we could maybe have taken a shot off of that. Let's see if I did. And then like a negative 15 pips or something. I'm wanting daily to pop up a little bit more, even come as close to this one. Maybe get up into 78, 88 would be nice. But what happened to my gold trade? My gold chart. All right, there we go. That's better. All right, so DXY stops off at this 50%. This would have been my probably a first shot of mine. Hypothetically, you know, if you were trading this market here, I would want to see DXY pop up just a little bit more, but she could tank from here. She could actually start to work her way down. So let's see. Yeah, she's kinda doing it, but not too much. She did feel this last candle that pulled down and created a gap and went back and filled that baby real quick. So I want to see what we can do in that area. Let's see what we can find in that area. I'm just seeing these lows here, this low here, insufficiency in price here, and then we got these double bottoms here. So I mean, moving down, we do have some targets. If we were to move down, we have things that we can keep our eyes on. Because if this keeps moving down, I'm going to assume gold is going to want to go up some. And I do see targets below here. So I'm just going to wait and see what we got. What I don't want to do is I don't want to guess. We don't guess here. We're actually going to do the framework here, right? We see that this wave, this impulsive wave, happened, came down, tested it twice, and then shot up. Okay? Yeah, let's slide this over because been waiting a long time for market to come up into this area here. And we're still waiting. What to do? What to do? Man, guys, it is Friday. It's already been a long week, guys. A very, very long week. I am looking forward to the rest. I haven't been getting any rest like that. Alright, so we're still like just sitting up in this little area here, but we might, let me see if I can find something down here. Nope. Yeah, found off the 15-minute. If DXY pushes up to those tops, right? We just pointed out those double tops. We probably could see gold start to push down. Look, we have insufficiency here, here. We got these lows here, this wick here, gap here. You know, these bottoms here. We got movement to the downside. It's just right now, it's in an area I'm trying to figure out if I want to sell this. It's going to be based off of how, let's see, we didn't get above this top. We double topped it, or did we? Did we get above it? Yeah, we did get above this. So this is a liquidity sweep. It's very small, but it's a liquidity sweep. So I just want to see what's going on in this area. If DXY, like I said, if DXY decides it wants to push up, we should see bearish movement on gold. But if DXY decides it wants to push down, remember that DXY has money, let me see, money sitting below like big time. So it doesn't look like she wants to continue to the upside, more say come back down to the downside. Definitely trying to wait on that. That's what I'm trying to do. Because if they decide they want to come down, I'm going to buy gold back, you know, probably buy her back to the high side. Why? Because, you know, we got things sitting above on gold all up here in this area. So she could not be done, you know, with the push up. So we might be still getting that push up. This W looks real good. Like, yeah, definitely want to come take those, sweep those lows one day. You know, if we take these guys, we're going to push down a little lower, most likely. Like, for real, we just been sitting in this one little area right here since 7. Tough little spot we in right now. Look, it's just consolidating, guys. This is why we're not getting no movement. Look what we're doing. We're just moving sideways. Let's see. Based off of this, we created this high. Can we still get up there though? I think we can, because this is a double top area, so hella liquidity sitting right there. I think we might be able to get there if DXY decides to move down, which she's kind of trying to move down. So gold might, you know, I might want to aim for these tops here. I don't see no reason why they can't continue. Like, the continuation is happening. What? Oh. Let's see. Are we gonna get the sell or the buy? Sell or the buy? Damn, my phone is loud. Alright, vibrate. Okay, so look like we just gonna go ahead and get the sale. That's what it looked like. Look like she just wanna play off on those sales. The DXY, let's see. DXY got them double tops. DXY got double tops. I might want to just aim for those double tops on DXY. Yeah, I don't see no reason why they can't get up there. So it's the last trade of the week. We're gonna go ahead and we got above it over there to look left. So it's kind of like a, you know, giving me them vibes. Let's go ahead and sell this market. And we could probably bring her down to, oops, the 1 hour, to there. Hold on. Yeah. We're going to go ahead and get some sales going on this market right quick. It looks good for the sales, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to go ahead and take a sell. 23.32 seems pretty feasible. We'll go ahead and get in there. 23.32. All right, so computer's sticking. Let's try 23.33. I want to try it. Let's try and see. 23.31. And let's do, maybe, still not sitting too well with this area. Give me 1 second. 30. I don't know. Let's do 37. All right, cool. All right. So I just dropped this signal in the group. Let me see if we're gonna before. Let me go and check. I want something real tight, like right above this high, just in case, guys, just in case. I really believe the DXY probably can continue to move up and go, or most likely try to move down. We'll see, because DXY is it's like sitting in a spot where it's just consolidating. It's back and forth in this area. We did take the highs here, but it's not really showing. I'm thinking these highs here, maybe we can get up there in this area. We got these down here. I'm keeping my eyes on some things here. We have things going on below. So, gotta be vigilant of that, guys. This is the last trade of the week, and usually by 8:30 we're usually done. But you never know, what they might have to offer. I've already dropped, this signal into the free group. I am still like, this is not like a, it's still like a, I want to say a maybe shot. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe I could have shot off of this and maybe we will bring it, you know. Let me go back down here to the lower time frame. It's because they swept these highs here real quick. They did it slickly. That is making me think that we could start falling. Due to this sweep look left, we might be able to get this pushed back down. Let me see, 15. Something tight. We've been at this all week. All week we've been doing really good, guys. You guys have really been doing good. Following along, asking questions, and all that good stuff. I appreciate every last one of y'all. We have some target areas below. I'm not sure we're gonna really get this push that I'm really looking for. 60, let's do that, 60 pips there. Okay, guys, we'll see. We will see. I really wanted to see how we was gonna push. I wanted more of a push above here, but they'll slickly do it too, right? You just have to watch. It'll look like a double top, but really this is it's kind of equal lows. It is. It's I mean equal highs. It is equal highs in a sense. But they popped up against it. That's what I'm trying to figure out here. I mean above it. They popped up above it. So that's what's making me like a little iffy on it. I'm going to use some, actually I'm using some lower risk than I usually use. Because this market, it has some liquidity above. So it has a lot going on below too. Yesterday's trade on screen right here did very well, right? Went very high. This is yesterday's trade. If you held that, it reached 216 pips. Okay. So now I'm trying to see if maybe we can get back down here to where we were trading. Even get below these lows here. This looks real iffy a little bit because I don't like the fact that I would want to sell this market just to see if we can get like maybe a little push down. Maybe she can push down for us. But we have this sitting here and we see it. So I'm still keeping in mind the chances of it coming up this high. It's a 45 pit stop. That's not that bad. Tricky Friday, Tricky Friday. I mean, not necessarily though, because I mean, if we think about it, we already see what we have above right here. Like strong chance of us just creating a candle and just popping up. Let's see, do we have news? Yeah. Yeah, we might get stopped out of this one because I don't think she's gonna come down. Let me go back and look. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out of that one. All right, so SL gonna hit that one. First hit of the week. I think I don't know, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Because I mean, yes, I did see us get above this high, but I don't think that was enough. Like I didn't like how this black candle didn't really react. You see that? It didn't really react how I wanted to. It's like, boom, we might get that push up. So if that's the case, let me go and look at the XY real fast and see. Because obviously it made a move. All right, cool. The DXY could drop. Could drop into this big old pool here. So based off of the hourly, she did get down below in here, close to that area. She could drop below even lower. Um, it's all about how you want to view it. Like I said, off the 50%, it's a 50% line, 78, 88. Could have took a shot off the 50% line. That would have been okay. Let me see. We're not really getting the move reaction that I was looking for. Okay, so I'm going to assume that we're just going to go ahead and move to the upside now. So this trade to me is invalid. This is not, like I said, I wasn't really sitting really good with this setup. Like it popped above, but not enough. And it just did. It just popped above. But is that enough? I don't think so. I don't know if that would be enough, guys. Just have to wait and see. What I had it at, 45 pip. Um, don't really like how this is moving. They kind of went up, but it came down, filled this, and then went up. So we could still be pushing to the upside, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and eliminate that one. And I want to look at this from a whole nother way. Alright, where we at? 20, 36. Okay. Alright, so DXY, DXY should be flying to the downside. Alright, so I'm not looking for sales anymore. I'm looking for buys. I should have waited just like maybe a few freaking seconds longer. If I would have waited just a few seconds longer, it probably would have been like really good in this trade. I would have been able to make a better analysis. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, and let's just go ahead and take her up here. Shit, she might just go ahead and get up in this area. I've been waiting for her to get up here anyway. Alright. Gold. What's this? 23, 36. So let's try it. Because they're showing more presence on going to the upside than they are showing. Because we haven't broke any trends on the downside either. So I mean the upside would be the feasible. So I'm gonna buy this market. I'm gonna go ahead and bought this market. Yeah. Sometimes it's like this, guys, you know. It gets confusing in certain areas. It looked like it popped above this high and then did a liquidity sweep and then pulled back, but that's not the case. That's not what was happening. It didn't push up enough. It just double topped it. So yeah, this will let me know that she should be continuing to the high side. So yeah, all of these would have played out nicely if we just held them. But right now we're gonna go ahead and just buy this market. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and buy it. The sales ain't looking too good right there. Not here in this area. Due to the fact that DXY is kind of like moving to the downside. What's happening? It's taking forever. All right, DXY. Yeah, you see how she's moving down now. I already called like boom, 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 you know. But I said she got something above. But I was also saying that this was a 50% shot. This is 78.88. So most likely, if you took the 50%, yeah, she fluctuated. She put you in profit a little bit, took you out of profit a little bit, put you back in profit. So um, looking for sales could work out on DXY. Um, DXY should continue to fall to the downside, get below these lows. A little gap below that low too, so low target there. Just want to see. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish buying this market back up. I thought we was gonna like maybe do a little pullback or whatever, you know, come down some, but that's not the case. We still are strong buying in this market, so we're gonna go ahead and strong buy too, right? At 23.36. Oh my God, guys, I don't want to type today. I swear I don't. I can't even type this out. Mainly because my computer is lagging for some reason. It shouldn't be. 40. Trying to get this out to y'all real quick. It's doing the most. Alright, what was this one? 23.30. Alright, that's fine. No big deal there. Alright, guys. So there you go. We're gonna get out of those. Oops. We're gonna get out of those sales, which you should be out by now, and we're in the buys right now. So that's what it is. And looks like she's already trying to push and reach up to TP1 already. So yeah, the buys were there, you know, but sometimes, you know, we'll pick a direction that looked good. It did look good. I saw this W here. I was like, yeah, I could probably aim for that. But hey, sometimes it doesn't do. It just looks good. It doesn't necessarily mean that that's what the direction is going to go into. But where are we at? 26. I had my TP at 23.38, so that first TP was hit. That one was hit. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Reply. Let's see. Can we continue to push up? Right? This is what I want to look for. Where do we get up here? 39. Yeah. Now that I'm looking at it, this wasn't ready for sale at all. Just maybe a pop down and pop up. If anything, buy off of this area and get that push up. That would have been a nice buy off of this insufficiency there. Would have reached 72 pips already. You gotta be quick to, you know, you guys are here with me every day, Monday through Friday, and I'm doing this live with you guys. So you're getting my psychology and you're getting like what kind of moves that I would make in this market right now. You know, you're witnessing, you know, an actual trader that will be quick. You got to be quick to change your mind and make it, snappy. You can't overthink it. If it's not looking like it's wanting to go the other one way, guys, switch the other direction. Right? There's other directions too. Like, there's only two ways we can go in this market: buy or sell, right? So why not? If your sales didn't pop off, which I just saw it did, so I'm like, well, let me try to get the buys then, because I was thinking that we could continue coming back down now, but we really didn't grab any real liquidity like that. We needed this. We need to get up in this area here at 2040. 2340 right there. That's where I want to see her at. Don't want to see her do this, pop up above this. Because this is what I was initially thinking, a pop up above this and then reverse, right? But, I could be wrong both ways. I could be wrong to want to buy up, or I could be wrong to want to sell down. It's all about just using proper risk, guys. This is the last one, and I'm going to take as far as my trade. Using really small risk on it. I don't like any of the over leveraging right now at the end of the week. That's not smart to do. Dang, I want to see her get up here. She was reaching, so she still could probably reach up there, guys. I'm gonna wait it out, and just to see if she comes down here and hit my stop. Okay, I'm done for the week. I'm gone. It was a good week. I enjoyed the week trading this week with you guys. But if I'm wrong on this pushing up, getting into this insufficiency in price here, then that's just what it is. Who cares? Who cares? Shit, we live to trade another day and fight another day in these markets, right? As long as you ain't blowing your accounts going crazy willy-nilly, you're good. All right? So, we're still really looking good, though, as far as this price action. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks really good. And then this 4-hour price action looks good too, to the point where we could pop up and get up into this area. I want to see that. So, if she hits my stop, all right, cool, that's fine. I'll come back Monday. I'll see you guys Monday, and we'll analyze this bad boy down again. There's no need to feel any kind of way if you ever get popped, guys. Just long as the only way you're gonna feel some kind of way is if you over leveraged. I don't never sit uncomfortable in my trade. If I'm sitting uncomfortable in it, it's because I put too much down on it. You know what I mean? I over leveraged too much. My risk, risk to reward. Yeah, I might need to change it. But other than that, I'm gonna just let this sit here and just wait it out. It's the end of the week, so I'm trying to see, are we gonna get up in this area by the end of the week or what? What are we gonna do? So I'm just gonna set a little alert right here. If we do come back down here, and then 20, 40, 40. Alright, that's TP2. So we'll see. If she hits TP2, we'll know about it. TP1 was hit. It actually got hit pretty fast. But yeah, I honestly think this market is going to continue up now, just by looking at how she reacted. So it's all a waiting game from here. Just set proper risk, guys. Set your alerts to get you alerted into the trade. TP2 is at 2340 and TP3 is at 2342. Right up here. So it's all going to be a little waiting game right now. So that's what really what I'm waiting on. So it's not something that I'm feeling like this market can shoot down really fast. This is why I'm using this really good risk here. I can handle that with no problem. I could take a couple shots off of 50 pips of risk. I could take a few of them and still be under 3%. It's still around that 1 to 3% area. Even if I lose, I'll still be around that 1 to 3%, which is not bad. You don't want to lose 50% of your account now, do we? No. 3% don't sound bad, or 2% or 1% don't sound bad. But when you're trying to, go too heavy and you lose half, 50% of your account, bruh, go back to the drawing board, because you're obviously doing something wrong. You need to check your psychology too, because it sounds like a lot of greed. So, yeah, I ain't trying to lose no 50% ever of my account ever again. That's when I was trading in my younger days. Where, you know what I'm saying? Like when I ain't know how to trade, my amateur days. I was a noob. Noobs trade like that. You feel me? New people do that. But yeah, this looks good. This looks good right here. I ain't gonna even lie. This looks okay. I'm gonna go ahead and set another alert right here. Where would that be? It would be probably right up in here. Yeah. All right. We got the alert set. That's what we gonna go with. That's it. That's all. The first one didn't pan out because we didn't get that sale off of here. We got a little bit of push, but she slammed up against us our stop loss. So I'm thinking we should be buying this market back up into this insufficiency in price. All right, it happens. As long as you're using, you're managing your account quarterly, you should be good. I was trying to look at this. Oh, that's all we had. That's what that was. One red folder. That's what it was. That red folder did all this crazy moving here. Happens. But we're just gonna wait and see, guys. Wait and see. Again, like I said, this is gonna be my last trade of the week. I'm not gonna trade again. If I get popped here, I get popped here. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna have to figure out, as far as what the price action is doing, my targets, and I'm just gonna hold this target out. Regardless of how she's moving down here on the lower time frame, it's the higher time frame for me. It's the higher time frame for me. See that? This looks good. I mean, I almost thought that we were gonna do a black candle come down, so almost, but this insufficiency up here, guys. You see all this slippage here? Why not? Why not reach for it? I think we're gonna do more than just reach, and we're gonna smack all up in this area eventually. This is going to be a waiting game. My last TP is up into this insufficiency. We might still get there, guys. All right. This is where your patience is going to be tested. All right. So That's what we got there. I'm just going to leave that there. Okay, don't know what's happening with that. What is happening with my browser? It doesn't seem to want to pull up any websites that I pull up. Can't pull up my YouTube. Alright, not sure what's going on with that. But I do know what's going on. I haven't had my tea today, this morning. Too busy trying to work on this stream, trying to get this stream up. It was like my computer was being, I don't know, retarded this morning. So yeah, we're gonna wait this out. This should definitely probably get all the way up into this area here, this insufficiency. I like the way the price action is moving now versus how it was moving here earlier, just doing this. And it was kind of like, it's iffy, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it was iffy for a reason, right? My intuition was already telling me that this was a little iffy. But, you know, it takes me to get, like, sometimes, you know, pop to be like, all right, cool. This is why you was feeling that way, is because of this. It was iffy for a reason. So, yeah, let's just keep this market going. 15. Let's do 1 hour real quick. Yeah, that's better. That looks way better. Much, much, much better. I don't know what's going on with my browser for some reason, but it doesn't want to pull up anything. All right, cool. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're waiting on. Waiting on this price to get to 2340 and 2342. If we can get up there, this would be TP2, TP3, and then I know we're going to be all up in this insufficiency here. We might end the week off by being up into this insufficiency. That's how we might end the week off. Remember, gaps are like, to me, they're like a gravitational pull, right? Yes, we did have a lot of gaps below all of this here. But because we worked our way all the way up here, there's like no reason why we shouldn't get up here. We've been working our way up there from down here, right? Oh my God. Just looking at this trade, guys, I took this trade and I'm like, why didn't I hold it? You know, you go through that too. You fight yourself as a trader by closing your trades too early or just, leaving money on the table. This would have been a crazy move, even from yesterday's move. If you would have held yesterday's move, it popped up pretty nice too for you. We was holding. So we've been getting into these markets pretty well here. We've been getting pushes where we needed. This one could have been held way longer. This one could have been held, maybe a little longer. This one definitely could have been held longer. And this one here, I found the bottom. I should have held that one. And this one ran while I was sleeping. So it hit my TP while I was sleeping. 152 pips. Not bad. Not complaining about it. Okay. Well, this is what we have right now. We actually did buy this market at the 23.36, and we're going to take her up now. So we're sitting in a little bit of profit, not much, but hey. Alright, so while I'm waiting, I'm just going to keep this. I want to keep it rolling on the 5 minute. Get you guys anxiety out there. Alright, I want to see. Alright, we got alerts. So if she comes and hit any one of these alerts, we're gonna be notified, alright? But what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to make some tea, guys. If we're gonna be sitting here and I'm gonna be talking, I need something to drink. Why I didn't get it before stream? Oh, now they go. All right, guys. So this is what we're doing. We're waiting on these alerts to get hit. This market can go either way. Let me just double check. DXY always makes me sit comfortably in my trade. Let me show you why. See, look at that. She's falling. So yeah, we can hold gold. Yeah, this is more say what I wanted to see. All right, so this 50% shot would have been a pretty good shot. It would have got a nice little push off of that. Still aiming for these lows here. And let's see if we can look left some more. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on over here too. All right, so let's go to 1 hour. They got down there. They got into this insufficiency in price. They did. They got down up in there, pulled up off of it. But is that enough to solidify that we can come back up? We will have to wait and see. We have to break below these lows or close above. Actually, the way this market is looking, this market could continue to come down. Again, I already marked these double bottoms. I got my eyes on. And then I see a lot of insufficiency below. So this area might hold up, guys. It just might hold up. We won't know until later on. Usually 9 o'clock we're done. I don't like to hold you guys very, very long. But we haven't really got any real movement this morning. It's like a very slow Friday. So that's why we're just going to just sit this here and let it, let it do whatever it's going to do now. All right. It's either a winner or a loser. But either way you look at it, guys, we're still up good for the week. We've been murdering these markets all week for the past couple weeks now. June has been a really good month. I can't complain about that. It's been really good here. So, yeah, I look forward to next month, July, guys. We're already moving towards that end of the year, getting real close. I mean, like, damn, we just got into 2024, and here we are, getting ready to go into 2025. I can't wait. So, but 2024 don't owe me nothing. I appreciate everything that happened to me in 2024. I really do. Great things have happened to me in 2024. I can't even complain. I ain't even gonna lie. Alright, so yeah, again, like I said, you know, we're just gonna wait this out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me some tea real quick, and this is the current trade that we are currently watching. Yeah, let's see how she do. Let's do 5 minutes real quick. Yeah, let's do that. All right, we'll watch it. We'll watch her here. All right, yeah, that's what we'll do. All right, I'll be right back. I got this tea now. Okay. I see we're still floating around our TP1 area. Came back just in time to see TP2 get hit. Real quick. Actually, no. Let me do this. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour real quick so you guys can see something. All right. Look at what we have above insufficiency, and we still have this up here too, guys. We can't keep our eyes off of that. Okay. Still want to keep my eyes on that insufficiency above too. So, you know, strong chance of us also getting way above this high. You know, they might close all of this and keep going. You know, it just depends on how the price action is looking when it gets all up in this area. But I've been betting on her to come back to here ever since she made insufficiency. Ever since this move here, I've been betting that she'll come back up into this area, which looks like that's what she's doing. So that's pretty good. This looks a lot better. I could sit comfortably in my trade and just let this baby play out. Yeah, I'm thinking we can get all up in there. So, if you look, not just that, but look, let me zoom out some more. Look what all we got up here too. More insufficiency, more targets. So right now, this is what target here, target, right? Up in this area, I'll be looking to see how price action is, basing it off of this last buy to sell, you know? So this last buy candle, I have that marked. I want to keep my eyes on that area. Keep my eyes on this area here. And see if we can just, you know, get that pull that we're looking for. We need this pull this market up. I look at gaps again as like a gravitational pull. I feel like, you know, when we have a gap, the market wants to go and fill those gaps. So we have this really big gap that we've been waiting on to get filled, and it hasn't got filled yet. It hasn't even got touched yet. They've been pulling towards it, but haven't really got it up in there just yet. So I'm still, like I said, I'm still looking to see if we can get this buy up in here. No alerts went off just yet. So we're still just, you know, waiting in the trade. Don't know how long this is going to take. It's Friday, so I usually don't like having class for too long. You already see where it is that we're aiming for. If you're in the Telegram group, you will get updated once these alerts get hit. So if you're not in the Telegram group, make sure you go to the link in the description below and hit that link. It's free. You will see the update. So if you can't stay here long, then, you know, you'll at least get a text message notification that, hey, that some alerts have been hit, and which alerts those are. It could be our stop, it could be our TP2, TP3, you know, just depends. So this is anybody's game here. Anybody's game. It's just a waiting game, really. There is this nice little insufficiency that they created here on the 4 hour. They did get up into this area above this high, Xing these guys out, but it pushed pretty high. So this is what I'm thinking, we can still get up here. So they're still showing that they want to move up versus the down just yet. I'll have to check here. Still no real reason on why we should come down. It's still playing around our entry area. Like, they've been moving for us, you know, getting close. They gave us a TP1, and then we grazed TP2, like 7 pips off. But hey, it's the end of the week, so I'm sure they're not going to make it easy for us, right? Why would they want to do that? Yeah, I'm going to continue to hold this out. You guys don't have to be here on stream long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just leave it up until it hits one of these alerts. I'm going to leave the stream running. You don't necessarily have to, you know, watch it. I already got alerts set, so it's okay for me to like step away and walk away. It's that 9 o'clock hour where 9 o'clock, you know, I'm usually off a stream. I'm not really on stream like that past 9, maybe 9:30 sometimes. But I really don't like holding you guys up in class for a very long time. You have the signal. It's a buy. We buying at 23.36. And we're taking her up, you know, 60 pips. If not, I mean, maybe we can take her higher, you know. So we're just gonna let this sit and fluctuate, do whatever it's gonna do here. But we already have our target is going to be above. So we got targets above. So let's see how this works out. I'm gonna hold this out as long as I can until one of these alerts get hit. All right, I'm not closing my trade unless one of these alerts get hit. Okay. As far as like if this takes me, stop me out, I'm okay. I'm fine with that. All right. We're still up for the week. If she goes up and hit TP, you know, I'm always happy about that. TP2. TP1 was already hit. It was hit almost instantly. The minute I put the signal out, it was almost hit instantly. Due to that 9 o'clock hour. Or was it 8:30? I mean, my bad. I think it was 8:30 news or something. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna continue to hold this bad boy out because I'm really wanting her to get up in here, right? So that's it. That's the play for the day. I'm gonna sit this here and just let this just, you know, play out and just wait. Just this is the patience game right here, guys. There's not really much I could talk about right now. Unless I just, you know, probably like go and see what DXY is doing. I need DXY to continue to move down. So we can get that push up on gold. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. That's pretty much it. You know, we could sit here and watch this and let it, you know, do its thing, but I gotta move around because this is my hour from where I move around. I have to step out of the house. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm gonna just leave this here. I'm not gonna remove the stream or nothing like that. The teaching is pretty much over. We already have our target area. We already in a trade. We have stop loss. We have TP2 at 3. Waiting to get hit still. So we'll just have to wait this bad boy out and just see what it gives us. Hopefully DXY can continue moving to the downside. And we can get this push up. But if not, guys, this is the last trade of the day. I mean, of the week. I mean, we've been murdering this market all week. Yeah, we've been killing it all week, guys. So, even Monday, we killed it Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This was after Wednesday. I came and I saw this move here and I jumped in that. But it's Thursday. And then hopefully Friday, maybe we'll see this pop up into this area. Or this could be just a straight liquidity grab right here. We'll have to wait and see. So, but yeah, guys, that's all that I have for you. You know, I appreciate you coming to my stream and watching, you know, my trading. Usually, like I said, we're usually done by 8:30, close to 9 o'clock, but this went over a little longer than I expected. Really, we didn't get any real movements that I was really looking for. She's back into the same price zone when we first started. So, yeah, I'm just going to let this thing, and once it hits, guys, I'm going to cut the stream off. If it hits my stop, I'm probably going to be done. Actually, I am done. I'm not going to trade anymore this week. I'm just going to sit back and watch and let the rest of the market do its thing. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the week. We've been doing pretty well. This whole little wave, we've been killing it. But yeah, this one gets hit, that's fine. I don't mind that. It's just one trade. You know, we've been winning trades back to back to back to back. There's nothing wrong with having one or two or a couple trades that does hit your SL, and you just got to reanalyze and get back in the game. That's all it is, guys. You know, 2 ways to go, buy or sell. You know, pick a door. All right, but yeah, this is it. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave this here. Just want to make this screen look pretty decent. All right, cool. So we're currently here. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I got really for you guys. I'll be seeing you guys next week. Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. You know, I'm here Monday through Friday. So make sure you're here, you're ready, you're prepared, you're locked and loaded, because it's going to be a nice week next week too. I have a strong feeling about that. Okay? Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I need to go ahead and get my day started, but I am going to leave the charts up. So, and I will be updating the group if anything else was to happen. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're in the Telegram group, then you will get an updated alert once these alerts get hit. I don't know which one, maybe the buys, or maybe they hit my stop. Either one, guys, I'm going to alert you and let you know what's up, all right? Well, that's all I got for you. I'm finna be out. One love, Mo Diesel, out. But just keep in mind, though, I am going to keep the computer running, the stream running, so I could just keep it, you know, keep an eye on it. But that's pretty much it. That's all I got, y'all. All right, I'll see you guys Monday. All right, peace. All right, so real quick, the stop loss did get hit. All right, I'm no longer in this trade. It's pretty invalid. So, yep, that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stream. It looks like did want to peep up above this and then turn around. So this was a liquidity grab. I thought it was over here, but they did it more here. So, boom, that's it. Most likely, this market could come down here to this insufficiency, get below these lows, and then tackle more to the downside. But after this has been formed, this engulfed this candle here, I'm gonna go ahead and just this is an invalid trade, and we're not moving up higher. We're probably gonna come down a little bit lower. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off because I got to get my day started. All right. Hate to end the week with this little L here, but hey, it is what it is. It happens. You just need to come back, be here Monday. We're gonna, smack this market on Monday. Know that L's come with the game, guys. As long as they're small L's. There's a very small L here. All right. Well, thank you guys again for coming on my stream. I'll see you guys Monday, 8 o'clock Eastern time. That is. All right. Y'all have a good one. Now I'm out. One love. Peace.